Let's unbox it. So inside the packaging there is a packet which contains the product. Now let's cut it so as to get the box inside it. Now this is a blue colored box which contains our tools. Now let's open it to check out the quality of the tools. So this is the hex key or Allen key set which contains 9 hex keys or Allen keys. Here you can see the surface is not so smooth, it's a little bit rough. But other Allen keys have smooth surface. But anyways, it is not such a big issue which can turn into a deal breaker. In the screen you can see the different sizes of Allen keys which are available in the box. The quality of the Allen keys looks good and seems to be strong and durable. And yes, in the specifications it is written that it is drop forced, which makes the plus point for its strength and its durability. So this is the Allen key set from Visco which contains 9 Allen keys, so overall this was a good deal for me. You are watching Vision Explorer and like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and till now thanks for watching.